Stop scrolling for free. Start earning money just by commenting on Facebook posts. Imagine this. You're already scrolling through Facebook, commenting on posts like you do every day. But what if I told you that you could get paid for it? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to DailyIncomeMadeEasy.net. It's a super simple way to turn your Facebook time into cash. No experience needed, no special skills required, just your everyday Facebook activity. This opportunity has been around for over 5 years and has already paid out over $2 million to people just like you. So, why not join in? Head over to DailyIncomeMadeEasy.net to find out more and start earning today. Don't just scroll, start earning. Click the link, sign up, and let's get that cash rolling in. DailyIncomeMadeEasy.net. Making your social media time profitable. What are you waiting for? Your next Facebook comment could be your first payday.